Now see here, up to now what we have discussed. So what are the implementation tools and methodology for doing a active methodology for the, especially for the administration thing. Sri, I'm working in some functional background, or I'm working in a techno-functional department. Okay. Again, what are the learning journey was there? So I want to focusing about the, especially for core focus or core departments of your SAP. So who are completed for this again? Okay. So here the first one they want to go into for again after completion of this. Okay. So I'm just removing this. So these are all related from project management only, very high level experienced people who are having upskills point of view. These courses are very, very useful team. Maybe if you have free time, will be there, go to the Learning Hub access and you can just verify what are the things will be there. Okay. Okay. Like whatever the course I'm giving, just search in Google and even Learning Hub access, you get the overall details. Okay. Fine. Now I'm just focusing for the functional point of view. Okay. Means you can say that SAP Active methodology for okay, implementation and core focus modules. Okay, so here you can go to the what are the like again what are the courses will be there again after complete Act 100 and Act 200 because of here I mentioned that functional consultant will be there and technical persons both people are there. Now free-based courses are for basis point of view. Okay, like P2E solution manager who are having a strong experience on solution manager. Again, I'll just do the video for the how to create like or again what is the learning journey of a SAP solution manager. That is also I'll do it. Okay, so coming to the in functional department after completion of this course, they fall into first course that is going to further active methodology for again the course name is going to further act 5 CA. So again, so she this course is again it's belong to the SAP active methodology introduction about the intelligent even again mentioned that intelligent speed management. Maybe who are already working from SAP SuccessFactors, they have a little bit idea about this particular course. Okay, Actify C. Okay, and after that same thing. Now, once it is completed, again as I mentioned, Act 6 C. So again, it is going to further. These are the open courses team. Maybe if you want to enrolling the courses, so I'll just give the TOC based on your requirement. Okay, and now I'm just going to for again here SAP. The introduction is over now. So once introduction is over, now I want to go into further Act 6 here. So what are these courses for SAP Active for SAP Intelligence? Okay, Intelligent Speed Management and Operations. Okay, so this is the courses for the your thing. Only these two? No, no. Yeah, a lot of courses are there, but I'm just focusing more onto the okay. Maybe this is I just mentioned that in so maybe if you have the functional core model internet spend management, so not speed, sorry, spend management spelling mistake. Yeah. Spend management operation point you can. So no, no, actually I'm working for the success factor. Okay. Again, success factor for customer, success factor for consultant, project manager. You have two different courses are there. So let's say after completion of this, so same thing here, I can just say here, active and CA. So this is basically for again SAP active methodology for the SAP success factor customer related. Okay. Same thing here, act to CA. This course is basically for the SAP 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 Activate for SuccessFactor for the consultant point of view, like consultant point of view, along with the project managers. Okay. So this is going to again. So mostly Sri success factor means it's completely for a cloud solution. So for this point of view, SAP recommended to whenever if you come to the any act related. So they're recommending there is no separate course. You can simply say S4P1, S401, and S4P01 is it. So these two courses are basically for the uh, Rise with SAP. Again, it will be going to further. Sorry, SAP S4 HANA Cloud Project Management. Okay, but it's not 100%. So here just like overview is there. So simply can say Rise with so who take the subscription with Rise with SAP S4 HANA Cloud, again public or private, so they want recommended this courses. So simply say, so whenever I'm working on SAP S4 HANA Cloud or externation about onboarding fundamentals, from this point of they want to go into this particular courses. Okay, so these are the list of courses. Okay, and again I'm just mentioning here. So whenever I want to go into further SAP's perspective here, so they want to go into idea again who are involving from success factor point of view, success factor for consultant, success factor for Rise with SAP. So those all will be going to comes under for this. So this is a completely learning journey of SAP active methodology. So if you have all this technology or all this knowledge you have properly, then it will be going to very easy to understanding or easy to managing your certification. Okay. So Sri, again, certification means no, this certification is sufficient. So even after completion of this technical point of view or after completion of this, so this certification is sufficient. No need to go for any certification. Again, as I mentioned, what are the implementation tool? Again, the tools are, as I mentioned clearly, for one it is going to for you can say that when it is going to Cloud ALM and SAP Signifo and SAP Linux and SAP WACME and SAP BTP, okay, Rise with SAP, these all will be comes under for the implementation. So those tools I'll discussing for upcoming sessions. Okay. So if you have any question, please ask before I'm going to for the next topic. Anyone?